In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Bitcoin transactions on Cash App, step by step, so you can start buying, selling, sending, and receiving Bitcoin without any issues. So, to get started, open your Cash App and go to the home screen. Here, you'll see different tabs, and the Bitcoin tab usually appears as a blue-colored section near the bottom left side. Tap on it, and this will open the full Bitcoin dashboard. You'll see the current Bitcoin price, a chart for daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and all-time performance, and your current Bitcoin balance, if you already own some. Now, if you've never purchased Bitcoin before, Cash App might not show all options immediately. That's normal. To unlock Bitcoin transactions, the first thing you should do is try buying a small amount, even something like $1. Tap the Buy button, choose $1, and try to complete the purchase. If the purchase goes through, your Bitcoin access is already enabled. But if it doesn't let you buy, that means Cash App needs more identity verification before enabling Bitcoin transactions. This usually includes confirming your full name, date of birth, and sometimes uploading a photo of your driver's license or ID card. Cash App will show you a prompt right inside the Bitcoin tab if verification is required, so follow those steps until you're fully approved. After that, one more important thing you should check is your Bitcoin address. Scroll down in the Bitcoin tab until you see your Bitcoin address. Tap on it. If your address appears, a long string of letters and numbers, and your Bitcoin wallet is fully active. If the app doesn't show the address and instead asks you to verify more details, complete those steps. Once your address appears, you're fully set up. From that point on, you can buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, send it to another wallet, or receive Bitcoin from someone else. Everything becomes unlocked. Just keep in mind, even though Cash App makes Bitcoin easy to use, it's not recommended to store large amounts of Bitcoin on any app or exchange. For long-term storage, use a hardware wallet, like Ledger, and transfer your Bitcoin there. And that's all you need to do to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. Simple steps: open the Bitcoin tab, try buying $1, complete any verification required, check your Bitcoin address, and you're good to go.